Hey my peeps, let's make some cute strawberry and blueberry cream cookies. I'm using my favorite mold here, which is a cookie mold. You can find it on Temu. And this cookie is like a weird shape. So I always get my cookie cutter out and make it round because I don't know, I just like them round. You don't have to make them round. You could keep the cookie the way it is. That's totally up to you. But I'm gonna cut mine out and make it round because I don't know. I got issues, people. I got issues. But anyways, I got my cookie cut out, made it round. And so now I'm getting this cream glue. I know people have questions about the cream glue. If you want to use spackle, you can use spackle. But honestly, cream glue makes it look like real frosting. It just, when it dries, it just looks like real frosting, okay? So totally up to you if you want to use spackle or cream glue. So I put a little bit of tacky glue into my cream glue just to thin it out a little bit, because the last time I made the cookies, the star cookies, and it was kind of thick and I wasn't happy about that. So see how nice that's like, it looks just like icing if you was just icing a cookie. So I thinned it out so I could, like, spread it around on my cookie. Okay, so like I said, you can use spackle or you can use cream glue. It's totally up to you. I like the cream glue thinned out myself. Like I said, it looks more realistic when it dries, okay? So now I got me some strawberry slices. These fake strawberry slices I got from Playco 3. I have a discount code for Playco 3 if you want to get you some of these strawberries. And I'm kind of making them into like a star pattern because, we want it to be like patriotic type. And then I got 3 fake blueberries. Now, these blueberries I bought a long time ago at Michael's. So you're probably not going to find them at Michael's. But you could check because right now they have the fruit stuff out. But you could probably get them on Amazon or even Temu. I don't know. I have not checked Temu. But, check around. Okay? Now I'm putting on some of my favorite glitter, which is called Snow. It's from Michael's. And it's just a shimmer glitter. It's not too much glitter. And there you go. Look at those. Don't they look delicious? Now go out and make you some. These are way too easy, okay? Talk to you soon. Bye.